So TD Mobile is a development tool for creating HTML5 based mobile web applications. As a developer, I like that it brings everything together in one integrated development environment. Sometimes when you're working with web applications, because there's so many technologies that you're working with, you have to jump around from editor to editor. So you might be working in CSS and JavaScript and then have to jump back to working with C# and web services. With TD Mobile, everything's under one umbrella, and you don't really have to jump around and work with JavaScript and style sheets and back-end code very much. It's all done in one designer, and we've eliminated a lot of the low-level coding you have to do, so it makes developing complex web applications really easy.
Well, I think the really unique thing about TD Mobile is the way that it harnesses together all these different technologies and these different acronyms, HTML5 and CSS, and different languages too, both on the client side and on the server side, and makes it easy to work on them and see the big picture all at once and integrate them together to make your application.
Unlike some other development tools that are more general purpose or kind of like a Swiss Army knife, ours is,
unified.
It's unified, and it's very purpose-built just for mobile devices, and so the layout system allows you to quickly drag and drop controls on a page, and it's going to look exactly like you're going to see it when it's running on your mobile application. We also developed a binding system that, in addition to just modeling your data, allows you to build in a little bit of business logic so that you can define the flow of your application based off of those data bindings. So rather than just using them simply for data transfer, you can also allow your developers to make use of declarative programming techniques to control the flow of their application.
Developers will like the fact that they can spend their time being productive and quickly coming up with applications, and not spending their time learning a lot of new technologies, maybe becoming experts in HTML or CSS, which they may not have experience in, and instead they can be up and running with an application within a couple hours. It is actually possible to not only use our high-level and quick development approach, but you have full access to including your own JavaScript, your own CSS, and really getting in there and modifying all the nuts and bolts of your application.
We had all sorts of customers participating on the early adopters program. They had different devices. They had tablets, they had iPhones. They were a wide range of applications that they wanted to deploy to those different devices, sometimes not even only one of them, but multiple devices with a single source with the same application. And we wanted them to give us feedback on how productive that was, how quick could they learn a brand new development tool. They let us know that they've never seen a tool like that before, that they could so easily and quickly come up with a version of the existing application, but now on the web, just available to customers in their own end users in different devices. Since then, we have happy customers. The number of downloads that we have for the product is really good, and it's all over the world. We have people all over Europe, South America, the United States, downloading the product, evaluating it, and coming back to us happy with what they see.